Hi, Peter Grimes with Internet Lifestyle Network Video a Day Challenge for 100 days, and today is day 78. And today I'm coming to you from the Northern Hemisphere. In fact, we're coming to you from Canada. So we've arrived at our destination earlier this morning, and we've had a fantastic time just catching up with some family and having just been out to dinner this evening and looking at the Christmas lights, and I was going to record from there, but it was just a little bit too cool to be standing outside and trying to shoot this video for you. So I guess the combination of several years of planning, and we arrived safe and sound and just had a great time when the flight's coming over, so we're just very grateful. Obviously very tired, ready for a good night's sleep tonight, but very grateful and so beautiful to be here in Canada. And we're in an area south of Toronto, and it's just snowing and just very beautiful. So just a quick video tonight, no specific theme other than I guess again the theme of gratitude and thankfulness, and looking forward to Christmas with family, Canadian family and friends, and certainly very grateful for each one of you as well. I trust you're all doing well. Obviously a little different climate back home in Australia, but nevertheless I hope you enjoy some of the videos that we're going to bring to you, and also some of the pictures that we'll share on Facebook and other medium as well. So hope you're all doing well, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 79. And remember, chase after your dreams, because they're absolutely totally worth every ounce of energy you put into them. Okay, see you later, eh?